Yep, this is the reason I'm in this hotel in Birmingham. Storm Darragh made sure of transport troubles for everyone. But seeing as we're here, let's have a look at the room. It's a standard room at Travelodge, nothing exciting. Double bed, a desk with surprisingly comfortable chair, basic tea and coffee. There is a big issue with damp and condensation. There is no airflow. Got an easy chair underneath the hanging area, so not much use. Spare bedding, that's me. TV above the bed, basic Freeview. We have a useless radiator that was not plugged in. And the bathroom, which is small, it's functional. It has your shaver points, soaps, shower curtains in this day and age. It's a bit budget. One big plus is the sheer amount of plug sockets and USBs. But there we go. A miserable emergency hotel night. Getting a little too common.